Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to make use of tabs in Zoho CRM. Why are tabs important? In your CRM, you have all of these modules which are appearing, but you might want to limit certain people to see certain tabs. For example, the sales department to see only a few tabs there, in the accounts department to see relevant tabs when they open the CRM. So it's important to control which tabs are accessed by which people. Now, how do we do that? It's quite simple. We start by going to the setup. We then go to where it says customization and click on modules and fields. Next to the modules tab, we go to where it says tab groups. So note, for you to make these changes, you need to be an administrator in the organization. The next thing that you do is to click where it says new tab group. Let's click and create one for the sales team. In this case, I had already created a sales profile. So I'll show you where these profiles are created. So I'm only going to click sales there, but I want the sales people to see contacts. I want them to see the deals. I want them to see the quotes. So they're going to see three parts of the module. And then I click save. I'm going to create a new tab as well for the accounts people. And I'm going to assign this to the accounts group. And then I want them to see purchase orders, sales orders, and I also want them to see the invoices and quotes. And then I click save. So when they log in, they'll only see these on their modules. Once we do this, we're finished creating the tabs. We can go back to the home page to see how each of these groups or these profiles will see their tabs or will see their modules. So if we click here, the sales group will only see these modules. The accounts group will only see these modules. So when you do this, it will make it easy for you to control what information is seen by a different category of people. That's how you create tabs. Just as a reference point, where do you set up the profiles? You go to the setup, and then you go to where it says security control, then click profiles. Here you can create a new profile and set up how you want it to access the system.